Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix when the master doesn't print nothing on the copy. You can see it doesn't print anything. That simply means the master is having some issue with sticking on the drum. So you take out this guy, you can find that it doesn't stick. Can you see? It doesn't stick there. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So since it doesn't stick there, that is a problem. So what are we going to do? I'm going to open this guy. I'm going to hold that for me. Okay. So when I open that guy, I'm going to get some little ink here. You can see ink. You can see I need a little bit of ink, even more, to put it stick here. You get me? So I need to get a stick to press here to get some ink from this. I need to, yeah. I need something like a stick. Yes. I don't think I'm gonna need a stick. Yeah. Yes, that can help. Let me see. So the thing is, so the master can't stick here. That's the problem now. So I'm putting some ink so that when it comes, it sticks. Putting some ink on the drum. So let me see. Pressing it inside. I think it's weak. It's fine. Since it's weak, we're going to do this. I need as much as I can. You can see how it is. So it's coming out good. So let me put it down. Then I'm going to take the whole bunch of this. Then I'm going to stick it on the drum. So you can see. Putting it on the drum. Even here. Up where it sticks. So when it creates another master next time, it's going to be sticking here. Because it doesn't stick anymore. Wonder why, but it should stick. Okay. Need to stick. So okay. So once you find your risers like this, then you do that. So this side, you can see it can be held by this. So to take it out, you press here. That is gone, right? Since it's gone, then we're gonna do what? We're gonna put this guy back. Then we close this guy. Then what we do, we create a new master. So that master should stick on that. So once it's done, then we're going to start making stuff. The kids are coming. I think they're bringing the stuff. Okay. Once it's done, then you press here. So it's created the master then. You can see started working now. This is what we wanted, so it's fine. So then let me press. I'm happy with the results. So that's a different issue. If it does like that, then you don't worry about that. You just clear here, then you do again. Sometimes it can stick here. If it does that, You press here again, then you do that. Okay. Okay, that's right, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna repeat that this side. Like, then we put it here. I'm gonna put the same to avoid. Hey, timber. You can put it down. Anyway. Yo, why you bring it along? I didn't have to. I don't have keys from that, but I have to borrow them. Ask keys. Proceed. Yeah, guys, I'm going to make this. I'm gonna make more copies again. So I'm gonna make 70 again. Okay. Take it out, make more. Okay, what we did, we'll do this. Okay, yeah, that's what we did. So you can see, you press here, right? Yeah. Then you click here. You can see the master is on, sticked on nicely, and also sticked on nicely this side. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'm gonna create another master, then see how it's gonna work. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.